ಗುಜರಾತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೌತ್ ಕಾ ಸೌದಾಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೌತ್ ಕಾ ಸೌದಾಗರ್ ಅವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಓಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಜನ ಬೆಂಬಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
देखिए, मैंने वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री नहीं देखा, मगर जो भी अखबारात में वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री के डिटेल्स आ रहे हैं, वो आज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने ट्विटर से निकाल दिया है, यूट्यूब से निकाल दिया है. ये एक आई थिंक समटाइम मेजॉरिटी इमरजेंसी में भी इस तरह का नहीं हुआ है. तो हम आज एक मेजॉरिटेरियन रजीम में ज़िंदगी कर रहे हैं. ये डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, मेजॉरिटेरियन हुकूमत है. जो भी मेजॉरिटी है, जिसका बैल उसकी भैंस, ऐसा हम वैसे रजीम में हैं. तो ये सब होता रहता है इन ए फ्री प्रेस, एंड दे शुड हैव आंसर्ड इट, दे शुड हैव दिस थिंग इट. जस्ट बिकॉज whether it is removed or not removed, it will remain a document in the world. The world can see it, that's all.
The BBC documentary is telling the truth about what happened in 2002. Whatever court cases, whatever evidence might have happened, they are telling the story of what happened in 2002. What is happening after that? We are having censorship in this country. The government is saying you cannot show this. They have issued orders to Twitter and YouTube and others that you have to censor this information totally. So is this a democracy? Aren't we allowed to be exposed to multiple viewpoints? And this is, these are interviews and these are excerpts from, we have not actually seen it because it's censored. But this is not the way when we talk about freedom of the press. This is not the way we are supposed to create an information environment in this country. It is clear that the government is trying to hide something, and the more you try to hide something, the more people will say, what is going on? What are you trying to hide? And that is what is bringing up that people are looking at once more. That if you had no guilt, why are you trying to hide this? Why are you trying to avoid the coverage? You could have said that no, nothing is true here, it's okay. Yeah, but instead you're trying to keep this away from the people, the truth away from the people.
You have the right to tell what you want. Now somebody cannot make an allegation on that, and all this has been there. The biggest terrorist in the world was whose name was to come, and if you Google down, we have seen US did not give visa to which person, UK did not give visa to which person. We know all this. Now they are trying to see that people forget it. Media houses are trying their best to bring it out and talk about maybe they got something new to tell to the people. कुछ नया मिला होगा तो उसके लिए एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना के वो लोग भेज रहे हैं उसको.
The Minister of External Affairs has said it's a propaganda against the Prime Minister.
देख, उनको कुछ भी बोल सकता है. अभी उन्होंने क्या होना वो बोल सकते हो, तो उनका काम है. अभी वो BBC को पूछो, प्रोपेगेंडा अगेंस्ट एक आदमी है या अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी, व्हाट दे हैव डन, आर दे ब्रिंगिंग आउट सम ट्रूथ इन फेवर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी? वी कैन चेक दैट.
Modi ji and the BJP did not have anything to hide. Why are they so scared of the BBC documentary? Let everybody watch the documentary and judge it for themselves. You're insulting Indians when you think, they will get influenced by a documentary, right? Let people judge it for themselves. Why are you so scared? Why are you getting deleted? Why are you getting it removed from YouTube? Let people see what happened in 2002. Simple as that.